In this video, I'll show you how to watch HBO Max in the United Kingdom. If you try opening HBO Max from the UK, the service won't work the same way it does in the United States. HBO Max checks your location using your IP address, and since the UK isn't an officially supported region, the website or app will either block access or redirect you to a different HBO service with limited content. This means many HBO Max originals, movies, and exclusive shows won't be available, even if you already have a subscription. The easiest and most reliable way to watch HBO Max in the UK is by using a VPN. The VPN I recommend is NordVPN because it's fast, stable, and works extremely well for streaming. It's available on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and other devices, and it's very easy to use. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN. First, install NordVPN on your device. If you're on a PC or Mac, go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description and download the app. Once the installation is complete, open NordVPN and log in to your account. After logging in, you'll see a world map and a list of server locations. From here, scroll through the list or search for the United States. Click on a US server to connect. This step is important because HBO Max is officially available in the US. Wait until NordVPN shows that you're fully connected before moving on. Once connected, open your browser and go directly to the HBO Max website. Log into your HBO Max account as usual. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up while connected to the US server. With NordVPN active, HBO Max will now detect your location as being in the United States, unlocking the full library of shows, movies, and HBO Max originals. You can now browse and stream content without regional restrictions. Make sure NordVPN stays connected while you're watching. If a video doesn't load properly, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser while keeping the VPN active. For smoother streaming, you can switch between different US servers inside the NordVPN app. Choosing a server with lower load can help reduce buffering and improve video quality. NordVPN also provides extra security while you stream. It includes threat protection to block malicious websites, ads, and trackers, and a kill switch that ensures your real IP address is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. This keeps your connection private and secure, especially on public or shared networks. So to sum it up, HBO Max doesn't fully work in the UK due to regional restrictions, but by connecting to a US server with NordVPN, you can watch HBO Max easily and without interruptions. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching HBO Max in the United Kingdom today.